This is a no Photoshop challenge, and this thumbnail was created via Photoshop. So I will try to recreate a similar design using a free software. First, download the free software, paint.net. You can check below for the link. Next, open a background image. Then open a model's image. Step 1. Duplicate the model's image in the layer window by clicking the duplicate button. The upper layer is the layer on top, the one you can see, while the second is the layer at the bottom. Step 2. Trace by dragging the mouse. To drag the mouse, hold the left button and move. Release only when you are done. Now carefully trace, don't worry about making a mistake. You can erase extra parts later. Step 3. You can now cut the traced image by pressing Ctrl+X. Then press Add New Layer. Ensure the new layer is at the topmost. If not, drag the new layer at the top. On the new layer, paste the image by pressing Ctrl+D. Now paste the image. Step 4. Duplicate the image by pressing Duplicate Layer. Step 5. Delete the remaining untraced image. You can uncheck and check the layer to hide the layer. This will also ensure the layers will be locked or not be touched. Step 6. Go to the layer we duplicate. On the adjustment menu, at the upper left, go to Curves. Drag the line all the way up to make the image white. Then press OK. Step 7. Select the Effects menu. At the upper left, then select Gaussian Blur. Slide to maximum. Then press OK. Step 8. Select again the Effect menu, then Color, then Quantize. Adjust threshold from 40 to 70 for the white outline. Step 9. Now, to remove extra parts, you can use the Erase tool on the toolbar on the left side. We are now done with the outline. You can now delete the original image. Step 11. Merge the two layers. Step 13. Add a background by adding first a new layer. Go to the background image. Copy by pressing Ctrl+C. And Ctrl+V to paste the layer we just added. Adjust the image to fit by dragging the image. And we are done. You can watch the full video on our website.